The United States complains of acoustic attacks on its diplomats in Havana, Cuba, as hit a dead hand. Experts, in fact, have questioned whether such are realistically possible. Take a look.
In August this year, the United States expelled 2 Cuban diplomats, accusing Cuba of targeting its staff in the embassy in Havana. The United States has also since issued a travel advisory to its citizens to avoid traveling to Cuba unless absolutely essential. And last Tuesday, the United States also expelled another 15 Cuban diplomats. The trigger for this diplomatic crisis were the mysterious symptoms of hearing loss, cognitive difficulties, and in some instances, even mild traumatic brain injuries, which the US diplomats at the embassy exhibited. The United States was quick to accuse Cuba of being the reason behind the symptoms exhibited by its diplomats. The US State Department spokeswoman Heather Nauert said, and I quote, "We can confirm that at least 16 US government employees, members of our embassy community, have experienced some kind of symptoms. We take the situation extremely seriously." It was widely being speculated that some sonic devices were being used to target the officials in the US embassy. But now some experts have raised questions over this possibility. To begin with, according to acoustic experts, infrasound waves, which are below the threshold hearing levels of 20 Hz, seldom cause anything more than mild irritation. In the audible sound threshold, that is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, an acoustic attack would be obvious and immediately found out. Hence, the only possibility is a high-intensity ultrasonic device beyond the 20,000 Hz frequency, which would be inaudible and can also cause the sort of symptoms exhibited by the US diplomats. Although acoustic weapons, such as the medium or long-range acoustic devices, have been used for crowd dispersal in a radius of at least half a kilometer, where in short bursts of sonic waves, it is possible to induce headaches in people to make them disperse, a large device of this nature would be easily detected if it were to be anywhere near the US embassy. It was also speculated that small sonic devices, which could be slipped in, for instance in a pillow, could be behind the attacks. But this was ruled out by the US embassy itself, who have claimed that their security is top-notch. So what could have caused these symptoms in the US diplomats, which is threatening to unravel the diplomatic relations which had only recently been established under Barack Obama in 2015? Well, this is a question which the US administration has on its hand. Bureau Report, WION.